travel far to experience the authentic flavors of Thailand when you can enjoy it here at Dusit Thani Mactan Cebu. Last Friday, July 19, the five-star resort kicked off their 3-day Thai Flavours Festival with talented master chefs. Their resident Thai chef from Benjarong Restaurant Suthin Songmuang, Chef Krit Pinsuay, Executive Sous Chef of Dusit Thani Laguna, Phuket, and their Executive Chef Karhik Ravi. Day 1 of the festival featured a 6-course dinner that brought to life the vibrant flavors of Thailand, dubbed as 4 hands, 2 minds, 1 flavorful dinner.
In the Thailand we have two options of beef salad, right? The one come from my south. This one from Bangkok. The beef salad I made today, that's from Bangkok. But I choose the from Bangkok because the Bangkok is popular to any country, right? Also for the ingredient, that one easy to find here. For the beef salad, the Bangkok.
I tell that I try to bring the Thai to here, okay? So which means I bring some local ingredient, I bring some local flavor, of course in Thai for other region, to bring to Cebu with Chef Suthin tonight, especially on the main course. Main course would be the Phuket style for sure. The main course from Chef Suthin would be lobster with
black pepper, some little bit Thai modern, put some butter for smell, for nice smell. Yeah.
And for my main course is represent where I came from, Phuket. So apply from the Phuket dishes.
Guests shared about their wonderful gastronomic experience during the feast.
For me, the experience tonight is very exquisite. It was very so good. The dishes were so good, and I really love one dish, which is the beef. And it has my favorite bok choy. So overall, the experience is all great.
For me personally, I have been to Bangkok last year, and the flavors, the dishes that I've tried tonight were. It's my first time because when I went to Bangkok, I went for the common pad thai, mango sticky rice kind of dishes. So this one is very unique, and yeah, I agree with all the exquisite and bold flavors. And also, I have a very mild tolerance when it comes to spices. But thankfully, the food that was served, it had a little bit of spice, but it was tolerable, and it was still also enjoyable for me as someone who doesn't really tolerate spicy food.
And the menu is very well curated, so
yeah.
It was all good.
While Dusit Thani's general manager Leront Bertuni said that the event is an opportunity for their Filipino culinary team to learn techniques and other skills from foreign chefs such as Chefs Krit and Suthin.
There's, I think, 2 factors. The first one, I will say, to get the opportunity for the teams to get further trained and develop about culinary experience from Thailand. Yes, we do have a Thai chef from Thailand, but I think it's a good opportunity also to further develop a little Filipino, to be more exposed with the Thai kitchen. You know, in Thailand there is many provinces, there are many way and many style of cooking. So that's a program that we have in mind every quarterly to bring a Thai chef from Thailand for the Filipino team to be developed, and of course for the client from the hotel or either from Cebu to have an experience about the Thai kitchen.
On the festival's second day, a fun and interactive cooking class was held where guests were taught how to cook authentic Thai recipes under the guidance of the culinary maestros. First on the menu was pomelo salad featuring tamarind and chili paste. The next dish they prepared was green curry chicken. And for dessert, the chefs taught them how to make mango sticky rice.
Oh, Today's extra fun. Number one, because I really love Thai food. And the last time I was in Thailand was pre-pandemic. So having this cooking lessons with Thai chefs made me want to travel back to Thailand and eat, probably just eat while I'm traveling there. So once again, thank you to Dusit Thani for inviting us to have this really nice cooking class.
And what could complement the delicious mango sticky rice better than a cup of rich and creamy sekwate as demonstrated by Hana Choa of the Chocolate Chamber. To conclude the festival, guests' Thai cravings were satisfied with a delicious Sunday lunch at Benjarong Restaurant in Dusit Thani Mactan.
For those interested to experience these fun cooking classes, follow Dusit Thani Mactan social media channels to stay updated on the schedule to be announced soon. In the meantime, you can purchase these authentic Thai ingredients to bring the flavors of Thailand straight to your homes. This has been our Sir Abid Morales, HNU Com intern for My TV Cebu.